Hello guys, hope everyone doing super good. So after a long time again I'm doing a motor vlogging. I mean 2 weeks is a very long time because I just started and again I have given gap of 2 weeks. So what actually happened is last week I was actually planned for a ride of 200 kilometers, but that again the one of fellow rider was not able to come due to some issues. So it was too late to inform me about that. So I couldn't actually make it to go. So this time again what happened? This week the same thing again. He again met with some other issue. So then I realized this is my vlog. So yeah, issues everyone will have, but then so that we have issues, it doesn't mean that we should not vlog. We can vlog at least for 10 or 15 minutes at least for a week. So that's actually the reason I am here vlogging today. But as it's too late, I couldn't go too far. So because I have some other plans in the evening. My plan was like going early in the morning at 4 o'clock and then coming back till afternoon. But now, as you all know, the plans have changed and it's already too late, so I couldn't go to a long distances. But next time, I mostly try to prepare myself well ahead, so that if someone says that I'm not feeling well, I won't come, or some other reason, I won't stop my plan and I just stick to my plan and just follow my own plan. I'll have 2 plans next time. If someone is coming with me, I'll plan A, and if someone is not coming and I'm alone, and it's BVC plan. That makes my plan. So for today, I seriously don't know where to go, but just roaming on road because it's been a long time I took my bike out. After the last trip to Kondapochama Reservoir, I haven't taken my bike out. So I just took it for a small spin. So let's see, and also I'm going to talk about some daily observations kind of thing in this vlog. So guys, you are seeing these 2 gentlemen here without helmet. This is very common in Hyderabad nowadays. I don't know what's the reason for wearing helmet. Yeah, there is one funny reason for that. They say that hair will fall and we'll get a bald head. But guys, do you really sure that if you're not wearing helmet, you're not going to get any bald heads or something? So absolutely no, right? So that's a genetic problem, guys. I mean the hereditary, that's a hereditary. So you cannot stop it if you are wearing helmet or not. And another thing is like few won't even buy helmets because their hairstyle goes wrong when they are going somewhere or some kind of thing. Guys, that's okay, you can still set your hairstyle after removing helmet also. But guys, hairstyle can be set but your life can't be set. It's unfortunately you are seeing many incidents nowadays, it's been very common. It's not your mistake, but you should have to pay price for some other's mistake. So again, this guy over here, this gentleman, not wearing any helmet. So what I'm going to say is, guys, just wear a helmet, and that's so ISI marked, and I know a very good helmet, with a very strong build quality will cost a little more, but that's okay. That's your armor actually. It's not a necessary or a need. It's actually mandate for your loved ones and for yourself. You can see most of them are not wearing helmet. So I just pray you guys, please wear helmet. And also guys, I also observed a daily observation kind of thing. It's been like in my mind since many days. Guys, I don't understand why the hell everyone will remove the side mirrors on their motorbike. Do you really think without side mirrors motorbike will look sexy? No, it's not, guys. With whole setup and all default things only, motorbike looks way more sexy than what you think. So what I suggest is, guys, side mirrors also a life savior thing. If you suddenly want to cut somewhere, or suddenly a dog came in between, which is very common in India here, not only in India but everywhere, you know, some wild animal or something will come in between, right? So, or even a small kid who is playing will come in between, and so look at these roads, man. This Hyderabad roads. So this gentleman over here, no helmet again. So guys, I don't think it's really actually necessary to remove the side mirrors, because it's not at all safe, first thing. And the second thing is, guys, the main very important thing is your life gonna be saved. You know, if you want to take a sudden cut because of something which went wrong in your path, some road or some construction or some animal or some kid or someone who came in between, because I don't know about any other state, but in here Hyderabad, you know, suddenly someone will come in between and cross the road, so which is not at all a good thing. And you also, guys, don't do those things, and wear always proper helmet. And if possible, if you want to do some stunts or something, I don't know, it's illegal, I think it's illegal or legal, I don't want to talk about it, but if you are really good, that you're confident that you can do some stunts and kind of thing, then wear the proper armor and then do your stunts and whatever you want to do, but so that your life will be saved. And do those stunts in an open road where you think there will be no traffic or no public movements will be there, so that, you know, if something went wrong in, obviously bike is a machine, guys, so you cannot trust it completely. Some mechanical problems will be coming in the bike when, you know, you don't want to ride in a very good way, or I mean not in a very good way, but if you fail to ride it good. See this man, wrong route. So these are the reasons, guys. Some daily observations again. Coming to autos, so guys, I need to talk something about autos, guys, because I'll show you one scene at near my home, definitely in some time. But I understand clearly. See this gentleman, just now I spoke about this, right? They'll cross whenever they want to. They don't even think, they don't even see where the vehicle is coming and what are they doing actually. I don't understand why these people do like this, man. Their lives are more important than anything, any work or something if there is. Okay guys, so I'm talking about autos, right? Yeah, the very funny part is, I understand they need to make money at the end of the day, I clearly understand that. So the problem is, it's a 4-seater auto, and like they will make, you know, sometimes 4 members in front itself beside the driver, like driver will be in between, and you know, 2 aside or right side and 2 will be on the left side. And at the back they'll make like 5 or 6 members to sit like front back kind of thing. I don't know why they want. I know, I can understand they want to make money more, but guys, that is not at all safe. And look at this gentleman here, no helmet and nothing. And guys, those half helmets, you know, who are wearing the half helmets, I mean like half head helmets, not the full face helmets, those are of nothing, not at all useful, guys, because you know, when you get hit somewhere, full face helmets are the ones who can save you, not the half face helmets or something, or whatever the fancy helmets.